Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset the formatting of selected cells in the Google Sheets mobile. So after you open the file, just select the cells that you want to clear the formatting or reset its formatting. Just select like this, for example. And after that, click on the A at the top right here, this one, and then on you'll find the format menu. Here just scroll down and you can see the clear formatting option. Click on that, and just like that, the format has been reset or cleared. Okay, I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment if you have any question. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.